A smart doorbell recorded someone who was never there. In 2021, a woman in Manchester reviewed her Ring doorbell footage after hearing knocks at 3:11 a.m. The video showed her front door opening, but no one standing there, just wet footprints appearing on the floor, step by step, moving inward. Her phone sent a notification. Motion detected. Person. Police found no signs of entry, but every night after, her doorbell recorded breathing slow, close, right against the mic. She moved out within a week. The new tenants reported the same thing. Would you have checked the footage? Comment below.